Hello friends, now I am going to start to discuss cash crops. In India, there are so many crops are considered as cash crop. We have in the topic of varieties of the crop India has. I discussed about different names of cash crop. So here today we are discussing individually different cash crops. So first is cotton crop. In the season of the monsoon, cotton crop is grown up, so it is called kharif crop. And cotton holds most important place in cash crops. So remember that India is a main cotton cloth production centers having country after England. Earlier we have heard the name of the Manchester. So in India, Gujarat is a state. In Ahmedabad, there are so many cotton cloth mills are there. It means Gujarat is the main state for the cotton crop. India is having second place in production of crop, usage of crop and export of cotton crop. Generally, cotton is taken from cotton plant and it is called as white gold. These two lines from where the cotton is taken and which is the other word used for the cotton, these 2 points are for short questions, 1 marks questions. Cotton seed from the cotton plant are taken from extracting oil as edible oil and its oil cake is used as animal food. So remember, cotton is used for cotton cloth, its seeds are used for extracting oil and the remaining part of the seeds and the cotton cake are used for animal food. So all the way cotton is useful for human beings. Now I am talking about its favorable conditions. Black lava soil where humidity retain for longer period in soil with the minerals contents and hot humid climate is required for growing up cotton crop. 20 degree to 35 degree temperature and 30 centimeter to 70 centimeter rainfall is required for production of cotton crop. So listen carefully. I repeat again. Black lava soil which keep humidity for longer period in it. Soil having mineral content, hot and humid climate, 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall, and 20 degree to 35 degree temperature is required as favorable conditions for cotton crop. See, the season which required for growing up cotton crop is 6 to 8 months. So, farmers are remain alert in days of rain that frost may not hurt it. See, agriculture is totally natural activity, so nothing is the hand of the human, but we can be alert as farmers are trying their best to get maximum cotton crop. In India, Gujarat is the best state for producing cotton in more proportion because here farmers are using BT cotton seed. BT cotton seed means biotech cotton seeds. Due to that, the production of the cotton crop is highest in Gujarat, and Gujarat stands first in all states. In terms of area sown, means where the cotton crop is growing up, in terms of productivity, in terms of total production, and best quality of cotton also. So, Gujarat is most important state for production of cotton crop. Other states are Maharashtra. See, Maharashtra is the second state. Then Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Odisha. Means cotton is grown up at everywhere from north, west, east to south. So it is important crop for India in the cash crop section. In Gujarat, highest cotton crop is being produced in so many districts. Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, and Patan district. So here you remember, in Gujarat, from north, from central Gujarat to Saurashtra and South Gujarat, everywhere cotton crop is also produced. In this context, I can say that cotton is also most important crop for India as well as Gujarat. Right, my friends? So here I discussed about cotton crop. Now we have another cash crop is sugarcane. Sugarcane is the most important crop to produce for the production of sugar, because from the sugarcane juice generally we can get sugar and jaggery, khandsari, ethanol. It means our so many fuel based productions are also dependent on sugarcane. Generally, sugarcane is produced in the region which is black soil, alluvial and lava content having soil, hot and humid climate, 210 to 270 degree temperature, 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter rainfall. These are important favorable conditions for production of sugarcane. Remember, in India, in terms of total sown area where the sugarcane can be sown, in that context, Uttar Pradesh is the first, and in terms of productivity, Maharashtra is the first. So, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra both are considered as most important states for production of sugarcane. In Gujarat, South Gujarat is the most important region, and another region is Saurashtra, where the sugarcane crop is produced easily. Okay, now you understand one thing more. India is having second rank in terms of sugarcane production after Brazil. But in world we are I I have spoken about productivity. We are on the second rank after Brazil. But in terms of sown area, we are first in all over the world for sugarcane crop production, right? So this is the second cash crop which I discussed. Now we have jute to discuss. In India, jute is the another highest importance having crop in terms of productivity, sown area and economical aspect too. Generally, we produce more jute. Jute is called golden fiber because it is used to produce so many things: jute cloth, gunny bags, mattresses, ropes, bags to carry so many things, footwears, other handicraft items. All things are made from jute. India has highest competition with Bangladesh for cheap rate. Laborers are available there, production is more, and fertility is better as like India. Now I discuss the favorable conditions for jute production. Jute requires fertile soil where delta region is available. Means in India, Sundarban is the delta region of the Ganga river plain in West Bengal. So you can understand why the West Bengal is producing more. This is the reason. Okay. Another favorable condition are hot and humid climate. 30 degree to 40 degree temperature and 100 centimeter rainfall. So understand that West Bengal has almost favorable conditions available. So in India's total jute production, 80% jute is produced in only Bengal. Other states are Assam, Bihar, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh. But first, West Bengal is almost maximum jute production state. Right, my friends?